Hi everyone, I am Sheikh Samir from ISL Engineering College, which is affiliated to Osmania University in Hyderabad, which is located at Ballaguda. Today I want to present my final year project, that is a review on smart gloves to convert sign to speech for the mute community. My teammates are Syed Fayyaz Ahmad or Lepu Ashok. We belong to Electronics and Communication Department. These are the contents which I want to explain now. What is mute communication? These are the signs of mute community, which means communication through bodily movements, especially of the hands and arms, used when spoken communication is impossible. According to WHO, 466 million people across the world has disabling hearing losses, of whom 34 millions are children, whereas in India 18 million people have hearing impairment. The mute community around the globe faces many problems while communicating with the rest of the world's population. The communication gap is there because a dumb person uses sign language, which is not comprehensible by a normal person. The device which is developing to improve the lifestyle of a person who has speaking disability. Aim and objectives. Aim: to implement a system which converts gesture to voice commands for mute community. Objective: to reduce the communication barrier between dumb and normal persons, to express their feelings and normal peoples, to convert gestures into voice. Block diagram of proposed system. Block diagram consists of hand gloves, flex sensors, accelerometer, Arduino, power supply, voice recorder, speaker, LCD display. The system consists of both hardware and software parts, whereas hardware parts includes flex sensor with hand gloves, Arduino, 3-axis accelerometer, 16x2 LCD screen, APR33A3 voice playback module, transmitter, receiver with electronic switches, and power supply. Software part include programming of Arduino. The microcontroller is major component of the system. Flex sensor. Flex sensor plays a major role in this system. It is a sensor which senses the resistance when it bends. It is directly connected to the Arduino, which is shown in the figure. In initial state, the flex sensor resistance is about 30 kilo ohms. Whenever the sensor bends from its initial position, the resistance value will be increased or changes. Flex sensor resistance is directly proportional to the angle of measure. Gloves with flex sensors. Here flex sensor is stitched to the gloves. Whenever the finger bends along, analog output will generate and it fed to the Arduino. Accelerometer. Accelerometer is an electronic device which is used to measure the acceleration force. It has 3 modes: X, Y and Z. Sensor is only capable of running in one of these 3 modes at a time. It is used to measure the wrist spins. These are the flow chart. Predefined values of flex sensor, predefined values of accelerometer. It shows the interfacing Arduino with flex sensor. We have work on it. Interfacing Arduino with accelerometer. This also we are work. Conclusion: the system is developing using Arduino to convert gestures into voice commands. Due to limitation of voice recording module APR33A3, only 8 voices are speak through module. Trade-off between the number of voice commands and the cost should be taken into consideration. Future scope: it can be extended into using interfacing with Google Assistant by cloud services. The precision of the device will be enhanced by using total 10 flex sensors. The device flexibility will increase by introducing many languages. The home appliances can also be controlled by using Node MCU. These are the reference. Here some of the references. Thank you. Ask the questions in comments. Thank you.